But we talked about it. I still want to do something with you. I don't know what it'll be. Musical.
Well, one of them will be on this because I make sure that all my guests give me a few bars of something, and then I'm turning that into something. I can send you a couple of examples, but it's not even really necessary. You'll understand if you just were to go.
I get it. What comes to mind is just sitting here in quarantine worrying about my prostate. Sitting here in quarantine and thinking about my prostate. Something like that. No, it sounds like another song though. Got me another day. Well, it's Saturday night and sitting here in quarantine and thinking about my prostate. I wanna go home. Diet sodas are the end of me. I'm down. Diet sodas. Sitting here in quarantine and thinking about my prostate. I wanna go home. I wish I was wiser in quarantine. Too much sanitizer about my prostate. I'm down. I wanna go. I'm down. I wanna go. Diet sodas. Home. It's melancholy, but I like that stuff. And what it did to our skin, what it did when we see what happens, I don't know. Maybe nothing. Don't worry about it.
Hi, if you're enjoying listening to Lightning Bugs, please rate and review us on Apple Podcasts. It helps a lot.